Welcome to Route. Today we are going to go over a few of the things you can do with our new building service platform. Let's start with creating a new to your client list and scheduling a walkthrough for them. Press the Create New Walkthrough icon in the upper right to start the process. To create a walkthrough, Route requires the client from your client list. To create a new client, tap the New Client button. Just add the client name, the address, the type of location it is, and the contact information available. After the client has been added, you should see it on the client list. Select the client from your list to add it to your walkthrough. Now, all you have to do is add your job category, then schedule your date and time. Just like that, it is in the job queue, visible for everyone on your Route account. Now let's start building that walkthrough. Route is designed to ensure you get everything required for you to provide an accurate estimate. Just fill in the room type, square footage, and floor type. You can even add pictures to help give your team realistic expectations of the space. Once everything is done, just clock out and it will be saved, accessible through the mobile app or the web portal, ready for you to create the fastest estimate possible. That is just a taste of what is possible with Route. We are always updating and adding to the app. Let us know what you think or what you want to see added on the Rosa Route Facebook page. Be a part of the development.